Hey, took her money, they don't want no convo. And I need me to mention no condo. And I stay with a dime like Rondo. But you know I'm a boy like Lonzo. I'ma smoke with a cookie and Fonto. And I need it right now like pronto. Some of my niggas came out the pot though. And the foreign too low for the pothole. Oh, you talking about bands?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy PatElite, back with some heat. You heard? You feel me? I don't know about these two doodoo shirts and gray pants. They gotta be doodoo shirts and gray pants. They don't have like a different album, but anyways, if you got drip and if you feel me, like the video right now, bro. Just drop a like, you know what I'm saying? To get love and support. Hey, you gotta show love and support too, you feel me? If you feel me. You know what I'm saying? First thing first, I'm actually gonna drop a way different video. I'm gonna show y'all my face creation in NBA 2K20. Yes, my face creation on how I made this guy and how this happened to be my face creation, right? So first thing first, another first thing first. Yes, I had this face creation when the game actually dropped, like day one since I had the game. You know what I'm saying? This is literally my face creation. Literally mine. This is literally the greatest face creation on the game. No one has a better face creation than me. It's impossible. Nah, I'm lying. I don't even care if they do. But this is my face creation right here. I'm literally about to show y'all step by step. And right before we get right into it, let me know what system y'all getting for next gen. 2K21 is right around the corner because we are in August. We are in August. Bro, we're in August, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if you're getting the PS5 or you're getting the fridge box. I'm going with the PS5 all the way. No doubt about it. I'm definitely getting the PS5 no matter what. Let me know if you're going to get the fridge box. Just let me know in the comments, bro. That's simple. And if y'all don't know, I actually stream on Twitch. We be lit on Twitch. Exclamation point. I said exclamation point. What am I doing? Check down below in the description. The link is going to be right there, bro. But as of right now, I'm about to show you my face creation right here. You see my face right there, man. Just look at me, man. Nice. Right? First thing first, right? You see all these faces? You don't want to look like this guy right here. You do not want to look like him right here. You do not want to look like him right here. Who else you don't want to look like? Who else do you not want to look like? You don't want to look like none of these guys. The face you want to pick, it should be right here. For some reason it's not popping. I think I gotta click his head and then go back. Yeah, it's gonna pop up. You want to click this face right here. This is the perfect one. You see, he got hair on his head. You know what I'm saying? I had to change a little bit of stuff up. You know what I'm saying? Why I keep hitting X? You hit triangle, edit the head. You know what I'm saying? First thing first, you see the hair. You see crop 4, hit triangle again. You see the hair black, no texture hair pattern, no texture, sharp corners. If you get round corners, bro, you probably got a bad hairline IRL, bro. That's bad cat, bro. You don't want one. You do not want round corners, but you want your hair sharp. For the skull, default, hit triangle again, skull width 10, skull height 10. If you have missed any part of this video, I'm letting y'all know I'm going through this very fast for you. I'm going very fast. So just pause in the middle of the video if you need that part. Default, brow prominence 11, temple width 10, eyebrow distance 10, brow position 10. That's literally it right there for the brow. Go down to eyebrows. What's the difference? Brow and eyebrows? I don't know. Eyebrows number 4. Eyebrows color is black. I would never get any other color than black eyebrows, bro. Imagine having like green eyebrows or something, bro. Anyways, eyes, default, hit triangle, brown eyes. You know what I'm saying? The sweet brown eyes. Look at the eyes, bro. Eye size 10, eye distance 10, eye angle 10, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then you want to hit circle, you back out. You know what I'm saying? Back out, go to the ears. Ears number 8. My guy got pretty small and big ears at the same time, so medium ears. For me, it fits my head perfectly. I don't know if I have a big head or not, but it fits my head perfectly. Hit triangle on it. Low ear angle 11, upper ear angle 12, ear rotation 10, ear scale 8. Yes, sir. We're gonna back out and go to nose now. We're on the nose. Default, hit triangle again. Upper nose width 5, lower nose width 5, nose position 12, upper nose prominence 9, middle nose prominence 10, lower nose prominence number 9. Feel me? I'm telling y'all, this is literally my type of face. Literally the greatest face ever. You want to go to that, hit default, upper cheek width 10, middle cheek width 10, you know what I'm saying? And that's what it is for the cheeks. Hey, yo! Time out, I'm sorry. But that's what it is, bro. Y'all get what I'm saying, bro. Yeah, default, mouth 10, upper lip thickness 9, upper lip prominence 0, upper lip depth position 10, lower lip thickness 8, lower lip prominence 0. We want to back out. Go to facial hair now. You already know I have no facial hair, so black, none. I had nothing, bro. Literally, IRL and in the game, I had no facial hair at all. The only hair I got, my body, is on my head. Chin, default, chin dimple 0, trim prominence 12, 10, 10, 10. Back out to go to the skin, the nice type of skin. I am light skin IRL, so I'm light skin in the game. And skin number 6. You don't want to pick any other skin. It's not gonna look like me. How black can I go? God damn, that's not me. Do not pick that no more. You want to pick number 6. Hit edit, none, off. That's simple. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video for the face creation. This is how you literally make this face. This is literally my type of face, bro. Literally my type of face, and it's facts. You know what I'm saying? Once again, if you haven't already, drop a like for this video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And make sure in the comments, let me know. Let me know in the comments. What system are you getting? PS5 or are you getting the fridge box? Let me know. And another thing we're going to do too. If you made it this far in the video, right? If you made it, yes. If you made it this far, yes, this far in the video, because this is a pretty short video. The first, let's say, three to 5 people that comment the number 18 and drop their Twitter, I'll follow you on Twitter. You should already be following me on Twitter. My Twitter is ballerpat_. Follow a lot of people back on Twitter. You know what I'm saying? Go to my Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. It's pretty easy. I know, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty easy because this is actually a short video of showing you my type of face. Is pretty simple. And another thing, I stream on Twitch. I said Twitch. I stream on Twitch once again. Check the description down below, man. Hope everyone has a great day. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe if you're new. Turn on both notifications too. And once again, bro, comment the number 18, bro. And y'all Twitter. And I'm out, bro.
Bitch, we got choppers. We kicking works like soccer. I beat the pussy up like I'm a boxer. We eating noodles, no lobster. No kill. We proper. You know that gang gon' prosper. You niggas acting Oscars. How you put rats on rosters? In my town, I'm jiggy.